everyone. So today we will start with next chapter of standard 9 science, that is tissues. So first let us have an introduction of the chapter, that what is a tissue and how does tissues are formed. As we all know student, that all living organisms are made up of cells. Cell is considered as the basic structural and functional unit of all living beings, including plants and animals and the microorganisms. So if we divide on the basis of number of cells, if we divide living organisms, then on this basis, on the basis of number of cells, living organisms can be divided into two parts. First are the unicellular organisms and second are the multicellular organisms. Talking about unicellular organisms, as the word itself suggests, uni means single. The unicellular organisms are made up of a single cell. That means their body consists of one cell only. And that single cell is responsible for performing all the functions in their body. Whereas talking about multicellular organisms, the multicellular organisms, their body is made up of a number of cells. And in these type of organisms, the functions are performed by different group of cells. So, in multicellular organisms, for example, if we talk about human beings, if we talk about animals, these all are examples of multicellular organisms. In multicellular organisms, as different functions are performed by a group of cells, so this is termed as division of labor. That means काम जो है वो divided है multicellular organisms की body में. For example, if we talk about the examples of division of labor, if we talk about the muscle cells in human body, the muscle cells in the human body basically contract and relax. Muscle cells जब contract करते हैं और relax करते हैं, then they cause movement in the body. Body के अंदर movement होती है इन muscle cells की वजह से. Taking the next example, we take neurons. Neurons are the nerve cells. ये जो neurons होते हैं, ये हमारी body के अंदर these neurons, these nerve cells are responsible for carrying messages from one part of the body to another part of the body. हमारी body के अंदर जो भी messages का जो transmission होता है, that is basically with the help of these nerve cells, that is neurons. Similar way, if we talk about another example, if we talk about blood, then blood जो है, it actually transports different type of things in our body. It transports food, it transports oxygen, and it transports hormones also. So we have seen कि कैसे different type of cells जो हैं वो हमारी body में different functions जो है वो perform कर रहे हैं. Muscle cells हमारी body में movement cause कर रहे हैं. Neurons जो हैं वो messages को transmit कर रहे हैं. Blood जो है वो हमारी body के अंदर जो है food, oxygen और different hormones को एक साइड से दूसरी साइड पर ट्रांसफर करने में हेल्प कर रहे हैं. सो दिस इज टर्म एज डिवीजन ऑफ लेबर. किस तरीके से एक ग्रुप ऑफ सेल्स जो है वो एक पर्टिकुलर फंक्शन परफॉर्म करता है. सो दिस इज सीन इन मल्टीसेलुलर ऑर्गेनिजम्स. और इसके ऑपोजिट यूनिसेलुलर ऑर्गेनिजम्स में सारे जितने भी बॉडी फंक्शंस हैं, बी इट ट्रांसमिटिंग ऑफ द मैसेजेस इन द बॉडी, बी इट द डाइजेशन प्रोसेस, सारे जो भी फंक्शंस हैं वो एक सिंगल सेल ही परफॉर्म करता है. सो नो डिवीजन ऑफ लेबर इज सीन इन यूनिसेलुलर ऑर्गेनिजम्स, वेयर एज इन मल्टीसेलुलर organisms, division of labor can be seen.